Installing Redout OS. That's right. Well, what do we have here? Redout. The stupid red evil hedgehog. What do you want this time?
I came here to tell you that you're going to play with my OS forever, because some people made a grounded videos out of me.
Will you just look at that? It says the install is now finished. Now restart your computer. Why do I...
An Amber Alert has been issued at the request of the Irving Police Department. Irving Police are looking for Serenity Berry, a 7-month-old black baby girl. Serenity was last seen wearing a white onesie when she was taken from the 2900 block of West Pioneer by who police say was her mother, Jocelyn Nicole Bridges, a 35-year-old woman. Jocelyn was last seen wearing a multicolored shirt with blue jean leggings. Jocelyn's hair color is black with brown highlights, and she is currently wearing it braided. Irving police say Bridges was driving a blue 2011 Ford Focus with Texas license plate MGP 8642. Again, that's Texas license plate MGP 8642. If you have any information, call the Irving Police Department or 911.
Grounded videos and Sonic Gets Grounded videos. This OS sucks. You know what? I'm going to some